Good morning, dear students. Today we start our worksheet 4 of chapter 8. Today we read about Pythagoras theorem. It is very important part of mathematics. Let's revise what is the Pythagoras theorem and what are the benefit of this and how we apply this. Pythagoras theorem is applied on a right angle triangle. ऑलवेज ऑन राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. जब भी आप पाइथागोरस थ्योरम यूज करेंगे आपके पास एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल होनी चाहिए. द नेम ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल आई हैव टेकन ABC. In this triangle there is an angle of 90 degree and the opposite side of this angle is called hypotenuse. This is called hypotenuse. AC is my hypotenuse. Do you know what is a hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is the longest side of right angle triangle. And AB, this side, and BC and this side, these are called legs of right angle triangle. Now Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem said? Pythagoras theorem say hypotenuse. This is your hypotenuse. We can say this is your base and this is your perpendicular. You know perpendicular means a line which make 90 degree angle. The Pythagoras theorem say कि जब आप हाइपोटेन्यूज का स्क्वायर करेंगे यानी आपको जो लेंथ गिवन होगी AC की जब आप उसका स्क्वायर करेंगे तो वो इक्वल होना चाहिए आपका जो भी बेस गिवन है उसके स्क्वायर के प्लस जो भी आपके परपेंडिकुलर की लेंथ है उसके स्क्वायर के. हाइपोटेन्यूज स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू बेस स्क्वायर प्लस परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर. दिस इज कॉल्ड पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. क्लियर? Now, how I use my Pythagoras theorem in my worksheet 4. What is the question number 1? The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 17 centimeter long. If one of the remaining two side is of length 8 centimeter, find the length of third side. Firstly, I make a roughly figure of right angle triangle. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम जो होती है बेटा वो ऑलवेज यूज होती है राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल पर. अब आपको पता है यहाँ 3 साइड्स हैं. लेट रिवाइज अगेन. AC ये किसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है? हाइपोटेन्यूज को. एंड व्हाट इज द वैल्यू गिवन टू अस? द हाइपोटेन्यूज ऑफ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल इज 17 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग. दिस इज गिवन टू यू 17 सेंटीमीटर. एंड अदर टू साइड्स में से वन साइड आपकी 8 है. नाउ इट्स माई चॉइस कि वो मैं 8 किसी भी दोनों में से एक को हम क्या ले लेंगे? 8 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ आई हैव टू फाइंड दिस थर्ड साइड. आई हैव टेकन दिस x. लेट AB इज इक्वल टू x सेंटीमीटर. नाउ बाय यूजिंग पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. What are you doing? By using Pythagoras theorem. क्या कहती है Pythagoras theorem is said हाइपोटेन्यूज का स्क्वायर इक्वल होना चाहिए बेस स्क्वायर प्लस परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर के. लेट पुट द वैल्यू h. h means hypotenuse. What is the value? 17. Base. What is the base? This is my base. That is 8. And what is the perpendicular? That is x. Now open the square. 17 square means 17 multiplied by 17. Find what is the multiply of 17 into 17. 17 square is 289. What is the 8 square? That means 8 multiply 8, 64. And x square is x square. Now 64 come this side. and when you subtract them, you got 225. Do you know 225 is the perfect square number? That means 225. If I multiply 15 by 15, I got 225. And that means x into x. Square means x into x. Now what is the value of single x? The value of the single x is 15 centimeter. So what is your other side? Or we can say third side is 15 centimeter. Is it clear how you use Pythagoras theorem in your questions? Now, question number 3. The length of two sides of a right angle are equal. Let's draw a right angle triangle. A roughly figure of right angle triangle I have drawn. A, B, C. And they are saying the length of two sides are AB and BC, not this. This is hypotenuse. Length are equal, it means both are x. And the square of hypotenuse is given to you. Now, square is given to you 800. Find the length of each side. Again by using Pythagoras theorem. हाइपोटेन्यूज का स्क्वायर क्या होना चाहिए? बेस स्क्वायर प्लस परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर, दैट इज अ फॉर्मूला. अब हमें स्क्वायर की वैल्यू गिवन है, अब हमें इसका स्क्वायर नहीं करना है. इट इज ऑल्सो मेंशन द स्क्वायर ऑफ हाइपोटेन्यूज इज, हाइपोटेन्यूज का स्क्वायर की वैल्यू क्या है? 800 इज इक्वल टू बेस स्क्वायर प्लस परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर, दैट मीन्स 2x स्क्वायर. अब ये 2 यहां मल्टीप्लाई में है. When it is divided, my x square value is come 400. Now 400 को multiply करेंगे हम 22 times, and there is x into x. So what is the value of one side? They are asking what is the length of each side. Each side is 20 centimeter. Is it clear? Now, what is the question number 4? It is very important question. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a plain ground. If the distance between their feet is 12 meter, find the distance between their tops. Now, firstly I make a figure. There are two poles. Let's understand by the figure. I have two poles. The length of one pole is 6 meter and the length of the other pole is 11 meter. And distance between their feet. ये इसके feet है. Feet means the ground. That is 12 meter given to you. They are asking what is the distance between their top. Which type of shape is this? This is the hypotenuse. But the base is not there. Firstly, I know AB. ये जो AB पोल है इसकी लेंथ 6 सेंटीमीटर है. CD पोल की लेंथ 11 मीटर है. अब बेटा यहां तक ये डिस्टेंस, अगर ये डिस्टेंस आपका 12 है तो ऑब्वियस है यहां भी इनके बीच में डिस्टेंस क्या होगा? 12 मीटर. नाउ व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ दिस पॉइंट? यहां तक लेंथ क्या बनेगी? वी कैन से व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ CE. If this is 6, it means the length of this is also 6 meter. But the total length is 11. So the remaining length is 5 meter. Now I find a right angle triangle here. The base is 12. The perpendicular is 5. I have to find the hypotenuse. So I use Pythagoras theorem here. And let's suppose the hypotenuse is x. Now, by using theorem, I have written the short form of Pythagoras. hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. That is x square is equal to base is 12 and perpendicular is 5. 12 square is 144. 5 5s are 25. Now 169. Which two numbers multiply itself? 13 into 13. So what is the value of x? The hypotenuse we can say 13 meter. The distance between their top is 13 meter. Clear?